How to fix allow access to photos missing in iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on privacy and security, and then scroll down and click on photos. Now here you can see the photos app. Now here you can give the access to photos. Now here you can see the full access. Now here you can limited access. Now here you can select items for your limited access, and here you can full access. After that, go back and click on general and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.